Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are gonna create a number video, like number game. So normally we'll all normally do this. We can play a number guessing game. So let's begin. So first I'll import the random function, so which will help us to do random things. And then we're gonna give a new variable called a. Then we're gonna give int command. Then input. Then I'm gonna give a bracket called enter the lowest number because it's gonna, so we are gonna give the number, right? So the computer should guess between that number. So I'm gonna write here enter the lowest. Wow, what is happening? Yeah, lowest number. Okay, then I'm gonna give another variable called b and create int. Then input again same, but I'm gonna write here the highest number in variation. Yeah, input bracket enter. Enter the highest number. I'm not a yeah, highest. Yes, enter the highest number. So here what I'm doing, I'm telling Python that this is the lowest number which which I'm gonna give, and this is the highest number which I'm gonna give. Okay, then I'm gonna create a new command which will be num. I'm gonna give a new variable called num. Then I'm gonna write random. So it'll take a random number, random dot random, which will get not annotation, sorry, random. So which will help it to give a number, and the brackets will mean the what number should guess between. So I'm going to write a and b because a when I'm going to give a number and b is same, so like that it will happen. Okay, then I'll show you once running it. See now, okay, there was a syntax error because I did not complete it. Anyway, let's continue. I'll show you later in the video. Okay, so anyway, I think you got a basic idea that first we're going to do a and b, so the number is going to find a random number between these two things. Okay, let's begin to our next one. And the next one we are going to write here is a a print command. So print command is going to, so we're going to tell the a and b, right? This is not a required line, but you can write it if you want, like being a human language. So I'm going to write I am I am guessing a number between A and B. So I'm write here in close the bracket. I mean apostrophe, write A, then I write and again gonna keep a apostrophe here. So it'll write it will gonna print the numbers of that. So I'm gonna write here B, done, and then I'm gonna press enter again. And so what is doing the A, the number is gonna take, and the B same, and the middle gives. Okay, the next line we're going to write is going to be a while true command. So we're first going to make a variable called playing. So after playing equals to, we're going to keep here true. Okay, equals to true. Then we are going to make, then again we are going to give while playing, so it will be like a human language. If you want to don't keep that variable, just remove it, it's your wish. Anyway, while playing, then I'm going to create a new variable called guess. Then I'm gonna write a int command, then I'm going same, but just top one a and b. Just the thing is I'm not going to write in the brackets, means anything like as I written in a and b, so it's going to be empty. So this is how it will be. So it will, the guess command is actually a number which I'm telling it to write. So like I should give a number, right? It's gonna ask me, so of course I tell a number. So that after that I'm gonna write if guess is equals to, means not means is not equal to me, then I'm going to do this. Now example, if guess is not equal, means guess is higher than the number, and what will, okay, number, yeah, if the guess is higher than my number, then it should print a thing. So if I'll keep uh, a colon, yeah, then I'm gonna write here print. Then okay, I'm gonna write here print again and print low. So the if the number is low, and then it should guess higher. Try higher, I should write, right? Try higher, yes. I'm okay, then I'm gonna write here again the if command, again the same one. So if this time I'm gonna write again if, and guess bracket, again I'm gonna write here number with the opposite side. We're gonna write, okay, then num, then I'm gonna write here print. Yeah, anyway, yeah, I was saying print, then it's low, it's high, uh, higher, guess higher I can write here. So and try higher I can write, that's I think more suitable. Okay, try low. Okay, okay. Oh, what am I saying? Okay, guess, if guess It's not compulsory you have to write if here. Um, you can write elif. I for some reason I wrote if. Just leave it. Okay. If guess is equal to higher, and the reason I not gave two, I was just showing that you can write two. If you don't write two, it is gonna give an error. Wait. Yes. Yeah. And then I'm gonna write again the print. No, wait. Yes. Print. Then I'm gonna write you won. So of course you won in this case. So you're gonna write you won. Yay! Okay, they're just like a thing. Okay, and this in 14 lines of code we have just completed Python. Let's
12 seconds later.
guys, I actually found the error I was doing, so I'm gonna change it again to higher because I wrote the words later. So I'm gonna write try higher. Then I'm gonna write here also try lower. You can call it lower. I think so. I can is it right? Wait a second. Yeah, actually it's that. Yeah, I got it. I tried here high, tried lower. I can try it there and higher, try higher. No, it's not like that. Try lower. I can try it. Try lower. Yes, I actually wrote the wrong thing in wrong place, so that's why I was like confused. Okay, then I'm gonna write here lower and try higher, not higher. Okay, higher. Okay, higher. Yeah. Nice. Now let's run the code and let's save. Yeah, enter a lower number. 1 and 10. I'm guessing a number between 1 and 10. 5. No, higher. Okay. 3. What about 2? No. Oh, you want? Okay, nice. That is like, see, this is actually working. This is having no errors. Let's try with a different one again. Let's keep 12 and 24. The table of 12. Okay. I'm guessing a number between 12 and 24. A nice lower. Oh my. 20, no, not 29 does not count. 23, low, higher. Oh, I think 29. Okay, why? Okay. Yes, I'm try higher. What's right? Okay, you won 22. Okay, 22 was a number. I hope you all liked this video. It's actually working. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And wait, what happened? Okay, let me close. Yes, yeah. Anyway, I was saying that thank you all for watching this video, and I'm gonna give the code now from now GitHub. I think it's not in my last video. Also, I started to give from GitHub instead of Google Docs. So there you have it. 14 lines of code, and you have Python number guesser. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Again, I'm saying, why am I saying you all continuously? Anyway, I hope you. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.